Welcome to week 5 of our class. I can't believe that we're over halfway done already. This week we're going to discuss one of my favorite pieces, which is collaboration, and also I'm introducing and making sure that we talk about the Stammer model. So S is substitution, so you'll watch some videos and things on that this week, but thinking about substitution for me is instead of using Word, I'm using Google Docs. So I'm just substituting one technology for the other. So I'm still integrating that technology in the room, I'm just not moving myself to the next level or my students. And then we look at augmentation, which is that I can actually do something with the technology in the classroom. So for instance, if I used Google Docs in the classroom and I had the kids maybe upload comments to each other and collaborate on the document, or if I did voice comments to my students, I've kind of taken that technology and made some type of change with it. Modification, this is kind of where I'm allowing the students to take it to the next level, and I think Edmodo is one of those, and I know a lot of you are using that, where students are turning in assignments on Edmodo, you're grading them and they're sending them back, or they're taking a quiz online, or they're collaborating with each other through some type of blog or something through Edmodo. And then redefinition is, I would never been able to do this assignment if this technology didn't exist. So I know some of you were using Kia, obviously I couldn't use that, no red ink. To me is more of an augmentation because I'm actually, instead of grading it with on paper and pencil, I'm actually using a technology piece. Redefinition would be creating some type of movie. If some of you have ever, I think I introduced Little Bird Tales as something. I obviously could never have created a book online without that technology. So that redefinition is the highest level of technology. So as you're thinking about the technology, that's one way to use it. If you go to my website, I do my iPad apps that way. So when you go to iPad apps on there, you see the Stammer model so that my teachers know when they're implementing. And I could take something that you have at the S level and change it obviously to the M level based on what I'm doing in the classroom. So it's just kind of a sense of what the staff is doing with that. We're also going to talk about collaboration tools this week. And you'll be exploring different collaboration tools and looking at ones that you would like to put in the classroom. You'll be creating your Weebly webpage week 5 and talk about 2 collaboration tools that maybe you would like to use in your classroom, or you're just investigating to see what they're like. I want you to do an evaluation for both tools. So I really want it to be something that you want to use in the classroom. So explore some tools that are going to be beneficial for you. And then kind of talk about the Stammer model at the bottom, just in a paragraph, just how you think it might change the way you use it in your classroom. And maybe the 2 tools that you chose, where do they fit within the Stammer model? And I obviously, as usual, have a link to my Weebly webpage example in there for you this week, and lots of tools to use. And again, going to my webpage to get some ideas about tools, or again, if you guys are using something in the classroom, then kind of evaluate it and look at it and think about where it fits on the Stammer model. Good luck with class this week, and just a reminder that I am out of town, but I should have internet access all week, so I imagine responding fairly quickly. Just travel days will probably be a little different for me. And then I know your research piece this week, you're doing the IRB application, making sure that obviously protection of human research, you probably won't have any problems with that, but if you have questions, please let me know. And again, I think if you're having questions still about your research project, please email me. I know I've given some advice to some people this week, narrowing down their topic. You really have to make sure that it's researchable and that it is something that you can pre and post test. So thinking about, I can have more than one question. I think I gave something to someone this week and I had 3 questions that I think that I could put into my research project to make sure that I was answering the questions, and thinking about pre and post testing it and making sure that I have some way to do that. And it doesn't necessarily, what you research, you may not get the same response from whoever you're working with as you might have if you were doing it with another group. So know that, that's how research sometimes works. So again, making sure that you guys are filling out the application, going to the website, And then please ask me questions and make sure you've really narrowed your focus. And if you want to re-email me your research topic and questions this week, I'm happy to look at it so that before you submit it to the board, you definitely have a good research topic in place. So good luck this week. And again, if you have questions, please feel free to email me or put a little note at the beginning. I sent something. I know somebody was having trouble adding Weebly web pages, so I did a quick video this week. So if you want to watch that, and if it doesn't work for you, then shoot me an email and let me know, but that it should work. So other questions, just let me know. Again, I'm getting ready to head out of town on Saturday, which is the 19th. Just probably be out of touch for a few hours and then hopefully get connected to internet when I get down there. And good luck with your class this week. And I will be grading. I know I'm a little bit behind, sorry, trying to get ready to go on vacation and a lot of things going on at work. So I hope to get through the bibliography and keep up with grading this week. So thanks for your patience with me. I apologize. I'm usually not this far behind. Good luck, and I will talk with you later.